Hey friends, if you encounter the error write fault with the error code 0x0000001D on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to simply restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. The second solution is to check for updates. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The third solution is system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and go to recovery. Click on open system restore, click on next and then select finish and then click on yes to initiate the restore process. And then you can perform a clean boot to isolate the possibility of third-party interference. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart the computer. And finally an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.